Wish is a prominent e-commerce platform known for offering a wide range of affordable products, primarily imported. It caters to budget-conscious consumers by providing unique items at low prices. The platform's user-friendly app and website design, featuring recommendations and one-click sales, encourage impulse buying and customer loyalty. To build a website like Wish, understanding its business model is crucial. This includes attracting price-sensitive customers, establishing supplier relationships, and leveraging technology to enhance user experience. These elements are vital for creating a successful e-commerce platform that competes effectively in the market. Building a website like Wish involves several key steps. Step 1. Market research. Identify your target audience by analyzing age, income level, geographic areas, and interests. Study competitors like Amazon, AliExpress, and eBay to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Step 2. Plan your website. Select a niche using tools like Google Trends. Determine specific products to focus on by evaluating demand and competition. Define your unique selling proposition, USP, to stand out. Step 3. Choose the right technology. Select an e-commerce platform such as WooCommerce, Shopify, or BigCommerce. Consider ease of use, scalability, and cost. Choose a hosting solution that matches your traffic expectations. Step 4. Develop essential features. Incorporate shopping cart functionality, secure payment gateways, and mobile responsiveness. Create user accounts for personalized experiences and order tracking. Step 5. Populate your website source products through dropshipping or wholesale purchasing. Write compelling product descriptions to engage users and improve SEO. Step 6. Marketing strategy. Optimize for search engines, utilize social media, and implement email marketing to attract and retain customers. Step 7. Launch and iterate. Test your website before launch, gather user feedback, and continuously refine your platform to enhance user experience and stay competitive.